Imagine heading out on a freezing winter morning, turning the key in your diesel truck, and instead of that familiar roar, you hear a long, painful cranking sound while the check engine light stares you down from the dashboard. If you have plugged in your scanner and found the code P2608, your intake air heater B circuit is sending a signal that is way too high, and your engine is essentially telling you it is far too cold to wake up. This is a generic trouble code you will see on almost any modern diesel equipped with an air intake heater, from the heavy-duty Duramax and Power Stroke engines to Nissans and Hondas. You should think of the intake air heater as the morning coffee for your diesel engine. It is an essential component that warms up the incoming air to facilitate starting and smooth idling when the temperatures drop. The whole system is more than just a heating element. It involves relays, a temperature sensor, and usually a blower motor to push that warm air through the ducts. When the powertrain control module, or PCM, detects a high signal, it means the circuit is out of range, possibly due to a physical break, a mechanical failure, or an electrical short. You might notice your engine refuses to start at all, or if it does, it idles incredibly rough or stalls out as soon as you let off the gas. Common culprits range from a faulty heater element relay or a defective heating element to a simple corroded connector that is messing with the electrical flow. Sometimes the air ducts themselves are damaged or restricted, preventing the warm air from reaching the cylinders. To fix this, your first step should always be checking for technical service bulletins specific to your vehicle model. Remember that this circuit often will not activate automatically if the ambient temperature is already warm, so you might need a scanner to manually command it on for testing. Check the blower, inspect the wiring for any obvious melting, and be extremely careful not to touch the heating element or heat shield while testing. If the voltage is correct at the component, but it still is not heating up, that part is likely dead. But never overlook a bad ground, because a poor electrical path is the secret villain in many diesel electrical stories.